'Di ba? I think na-report nyo na lahat. So I just promise Sec John Vic that I'll wait for his report and that siya magsasabi sa details para nga walang miscommunication or accusation. But since someone close to me sent me a text kasi meron nag-send sa akin ito. PNP confirms Browner's statement that 30 shots were fired. All of them came from the Senate from Cayetano security guard. So first of all, I don't have a security guard. If they're talking about the blue guard, wala akong kasamang security guard. If they talking about my security, they're also from the PNP. I double check before going here. Walang nagpaputok sa kanila. Okay? So anyway, make a long story short, ito po ang text ni Sen John Vic. The count was 27 from inside the Senate and 5 from the other side, no?
So, ayan. Ayan na, mga babayan. Maraming putok galing sa loob ng Senado. No? In short, mga babayan, sila yung nagpapaputok na nagpapaputok.
So my point is, nag-verbal warning sila. Tigil nyo yan, whatever the words were used. Sorry, yung OSAA, nag-verbal warning. Hindi tumigil yung kabilang side from trying to get into the Senate. So nagpaputok sila in the air.
Trying to get in to the Senate, mga babayan. Sinasabi. No, ulitin natin, ha?
Yung OSAA, nag-verbal warning. Hindi tumigil yung kabilang side from trying to get into the Senate.
Trying to get into the Senate, sabi dito ni Senator Cayetano, mga babayan. Ano po ba explanation? Ito, pakinggan natin.
Magkakaroon lamang po
ano po explanation dyan?
Kanina po ay nabanggit at natanong sa inyo kung ilang putok at nabanggit niyo po ay mula sa NBI agent. So after that, na nagkaroon din ng warning shot, nag-start ang OSAA ng warning shot. At after that, nag-warning shot din ng NBI agent. At pagkatapos na sabi niyo, marami ng putok ang nangyari. Kanino galing yung putok after ng warning shot ng NBI agent?
So ulat po sa akin ng aming ahente ay nanggaling po lahat sa miyembro po ng OSAA po.
Mga
po sila.
Mga ilang putok po yung naitala sa kanilang
Galing sa miyembro ng OSAA, mga babayan, ha?
pagkakaalala.
Basta marami po. Hindi, mahirap po kasi sunod-sunod na po na putok yung nangyari based on the report po na binigay po sa akin.
General Natates, meron po kayong info?
Sa tingin ko po, not less than 30. But of course, we are investigating
Less than 30? 30, sir?
not less than 30. Because it will be quantified dun sa CCTVs as well as empty shells that are recovered during the SOCO operation, as well as yung mga naalis pa. Why? Because doon sa CCTV, makikita naman natin doon may nagpulot ba ng basyo. Hindi natin ma-account. So, we are fully accounting it.
Sir, yung tinatanong kanina ni Ivy, yung putok ba ay galing sa, tama ba, yung direction? Oo. Galing ba from the Senate o galing from the GSIS premises?
Okay. The barrier na nandun is pintuan, but close na yon. Yun yung kaninang nagsasabi ng drilling. Kaya dun sa drilling, dun sa pinto na yon is naglagay ng bolt. So that is a fact. And then hinarangan ng mga steel cabinets para hindi makapasok doon sa premises ng GSIS coming from the Senate and vice versa.
Di ba? Hinarangan eh. Yun po yung purpose na nagdi-drill, mga babayan. Hinarangan po yung pintuan from the Senate papuntang GSIS building. So, iba po yung kwento nila. Ang kwento nila, mga babayan, sinita sila ng OSAA dahil daw po nagtatangka na pumasok yung mga NBI agent coming from GSIS building. Diba? So, sino nagsasabi ngayon ng totoo? Hindi ko na kasi makita yung video pero may video po na inilabas, mga babayan, na kung saan No, yung nagdi-drill na yun, talagang binabarena nila yung pintuan. No, para maisara. So baka nilalagyan nila ng tornilyo or something para mailak yung pintuan. At hinarangan nga daw po yun. 'Di ba? So paano mangyayari, mga kababayan, napapasok yung mga NBI agent doon kung ang ginagawa nila, ang purpose nila, isarahan. 'Di ba? Yung GSIS building. So hindi tugma. No, yung sinasabi ni Cayetano, no, doon sa parang totoong nangyari sa kwento po, no, ng PNP at saka ng mga NBI agent. 'Di ba? O tuloy natin yung kay Cayetano.
So nagpaputok sila in the air. Ang problema, nagpaputok pabalik. So eto fine.
Kasi malay ba naman nung NBI agent kung sila yung pinaputukan? 'Di ba? So ang basic instinct mo, may nagpaputok. 'Di ba? So yung NBI agent nagpaputok din ng warning shot. Hindi kasi alam ng NBI agent kung sila direct yung pinaputukan. So ang ginawa ng NBI agent, nag-warning shot. 'Di ba? Para sabihin na huwag kayong magpaputok. 'Di ba? O tapusin natin 'to, tapos mamaya tuloy natin, no. Anong ginawa ng NBI agent after po nung incident na 'yon?
Kung whoever the perpetrators was, 'di ba? Kasi nga last night bago umalis si Sec Remulla, sabi niya so far they saw one bullet. So syempre nakita ko yung mukha ng USAA, that's not possible. So someone showed me the video and Mayan nga told me may live nga, 'di ba? So sinabi ko lang na, Sec, can you allow the USAA to go inside the kabilang building para may sarili namin investigation? I haven't really had time to look at all the details pa, and I promise si Sec. So the count was 27 from outside, from inside, no?
27 from inside. 27 from OSAA.
Oo. That's 5 from NBI yan.
Yes, na count nung putok.
From OSAA.
Yes.
5 from the kalaban.
Yes. Kasi ang warning shot, itutuloy-tuloy mo yon until nga, kaya mo wina-warning, ayaw mo magkabarilan, di ba? So, kailangan umalis. But
warning shot, mga babayan, pero doon sa salamin, lahat yung tama. Di ba? Doon sa salamin, lahat yung tama eh. Kung warning shot yan, mga kababayan, pwedeng sa Kisame or somewhere else. Diba? Pero papunta doon sa direction ng mga NBI operatives.
Instead na umalis, nagputok pabalik. So I won't defend or say much more, yun lang. But eto, kararating lang sa akin yung text ni Sec Remulla. NBI had no warrant to serve. They were requested by GM WIC to secure the Senate building at 5 p.m. They arrived at 6:15, 21 arrived. They were deployed on each floor to secure GSIS. Agent Francisco sitting down on the second floor bridgeway with a white guard when his attention was called by OSAA Aplasca. Sino ka? Sabi Aplasca. Francisco stood up with AR-15 at the sideway sling. Aplasca fired a warning shot. Francisco pulled the trigger. As well pointed, OSAA eventually discharged 27 rounds of 9mm and 40 SW. Francisco discharged 5 rounds. He immediately fled the scene.
Sir, can
So,
you get that? Sir, pwede kami minong copy.
read out para okay. So, yun lang muna so far kasi yun palang binigay sa akin. But let me emphasize this, ha. NBI continually told us na wala silang dinideploy sa Senate. Completely. I think pati sa higher ups nila, yun ang sinabi nila.
Totoo naman walang dineploy sa Senate, mga babayan. Nandun sila sa GSIS building. So yung meron kasing parang tulay o merong parang let's say merong isang tulay doon or somewhere else o something na nagdudugtong between the building. 'Di ba, mga babayan? Pero wala sila doon sa mismong premises ng NBI ng Senate, 'di ba? Parang may gusto kasing palabasin si Cayetano dito, mga babayan. 'Di ba?
I haven't had the time to watch the news or to compare who said what, no. So kayo na ang mag-compare who is saying what, 'di ba? But time after time, in fact, Senator Loren got a text when we were having the caucus na sabi ni NBI Director.
So ibig sabihin yung sa sergeant at arms yun nagsisinungaling.
Hindi daw niya sinabi na pinayagan sila ni Senator Soto. All the senators na kasama ko doon, napakarami, all said he did not only say it once, he said it 3 times. So, we can get to the truth if people tell the truth. Diba? But if the NBI is not going to be, it's not going to treat this thing with candor, meaning just tell us the truth, may problema tayo. But I can tell you, I have faith in the PNP and the DILG. They gave me their word. No? And for some, their word is not important, but I do believe kay General Nartates, Chief PNP, and kay Sec Remulla, nung sinabi nilang lalabas ang totoo dito, I believe in the word that they've given. No? Let me have a drink of water, tapos question.
Sir, to be sure lang, the 27 came from Sir, sorry nakita ko po kasi sir, na ang nagpaputok po kahapon, OSAA and yung armed na Marines. Kasama na po sa bilang yung 27, yung lahat na nagpaputok coming from the Senate force?
I don't want to speculate kasi I just read to you yung sinabi sa akin. But kasi may nakita din ako na report or something sa Facebook. I haven't verified na the Marines were here to support but did not fire. So I'll wait for the report naman ng OSAA after meeting you. Ayoko, kasi OSAA naman is under my jurisdiction, so I'll have them explain what they found so far.
So right now, sir, the 27 we can say are from OSAA lang?
Yun ang report ni Sec. Jantic.
Okay. The 5 came from the Kalaban?
Yes.
Pataas, sir, or towards OSAA?
Yun ang hindi ko masagot.
Okay.
May
Sir.
isang bullet daw sa taas.
And then the rest? Or?
Kasi nga last night nung naghiwalay kami, so far daw isa pa lang, Tapos eto kasi sinabi ko kay Sec Remulla, I'll make sure na yung commitment ko not to influence or walang political angle yung aking explanation ng
Nako.
investigation.
Walang political angle. Talaga lang panoorin natin to. Ano explanation dyan?
And the other one is yung salamin. Beside that is an exit door going to the bridge.
Oh,
going
may
to the
bridge.
canteen in GSIS. And of course, kakausapin natin ng GSIS and Senate. What is the purpose of this exit door going a bridge going dun sa malapit dun sa is it a barrier? Ayan na mismo ba yung ating boundary? Kailangan mag-usap sila or kailangan imbestigahan sila kung nag-uusap ba sila. Is there an evacuation plan? Is there fire evacuation plan? And the purpose of this door at saka bridgeway. And beside that is the window. The window is hold with bullets. Okay, so hindi ko but initial appreciation of that is the bullets came from inside
Inside a Senate.
inside the Senate.
Okay, thank you very much. Attorney Matibag, sabi niyo po, kinausap po kayo no May 11 regarding protective custody. Sino po ang nakausap tungkol sa protective custody?
Yes, you're referring po siguro doon sa nangyari nung Monday.
May 11, yes sir.
Opo, nangyari po kasi noon, nung arestuhin namin, tapos 7:30 yata po yun, narinig ko na nag-motion si Senator Marcoleta na ng resolution to put Senator Batoy to protective custody. Nung narinig ko po yun, nagkonsulta po ako sa kila Secretary Bida na sinabi ko, siguro hindi na muna natin arestuhin in deference also in respect to the Senate. Pero ang nangyari po, nung pinapo-pull out ko na po yung amin pong arresting team, yung pong binanggit na pangalan na gustong ipasuspinde, yung NCR po namin, hinarang po sila sa baba, gusto silang i-detain. So, minabuti ko po na tumawag kay Sec Gen Dong Mendoza para kausapin, mag-negotiate na total we're pulling out, baka naman pwede nang palabasin kami. So, ginawa ko po, pumasok po sa Senado expecting to talk to Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Nung pagpasok ko po sa pintuan, andun po si Senator Ivy, Senator Pia Cayetano, Senator Loren, Senator Mark Villar, Senator Marcoleta initially, tapos dumating po Senator Jinggoy and Senator Bongo.
Okay, so yan balik tayo kay Cayetano.
But he sent me that text na so far yun yung report niya. So I'll send it na to you, ano mo na lang.
Sir, wala kang sinabi si General Clark kung nasaan yung NBI, kung nasa DSIS side o nandito sa Senate.
Because nga meron ongoing investigation, I don't wanna speak details for details, but I'll just tell you what he told me last night nung kaharap din niya yung police, na nakita nila na nakalagay doon yung letra and everything, and winorningan nila. But, you know, if I tell you more details than that, pati people will already think or speculate. So I'd rather tapusin nila. Ang sabi sa akin ni Sec. John Vic, bina-backtrace nila. They got a lot of IDs sa the guy na bumalik. Pinabalik daw siya para kunin yung bag. Puno ng maraming IDs sa bag. So they got his fingerprints, bina-backtrace niya. When I left, they were bringing him to Pasay for inquest. So I haven't gotten the report. Unfortunately, pinauwi namin lahat ng lawyers kasi nung sinabing clear na, nakiusap din yung mga police so that their work is easier, paalisin na. But can I just mention this, guys, di ba?